And okay. And let's our question, how we're gonna use OTP verification, right?
Yeah, are we going to use Firebase or any other backend service?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I'm going to share my screen. Actually, what we have in terms of our code, we have two functions. One function is for, actually, this is an API call, Flask API, and we have in terms of application and on backend, it's like a separate application, and this is functions for. This is authorization. Not here. Remember that Abhishek prepared for us this as a separate, yeah, here out tools. And what we have here, actually, first generate OTP. This is internal function. And after that, generate random string. This is a string with 6 numbers. And the good news here, you can see that there are 6 letters of the OTP verification. Abhishek provided solution when we will use local database, not PostgreSQL, but this will be a local database. Actually, this will be, I forgot the name of this database, when we will store all OTP verification locally on the file. And actually, why we use this solution, because this OTP verification will live only not more than 60 seconds. And after that, this will disappear. For the security purpose, this is a very good. And it's the reason why we don't want to save it on the PostgreSQL. And for example, forget to delete some useful information. And we're gonna use this local file database, and it's a general view. As for your task, here there are 2 functions. First, I don't see send OTP and verify OTP. Here you see. And when we will send this OTP, and after that we are going to check this OTP, and in mobile application you will have like 60 seconds to check it. If it doesn't work, procedure will repeat again. And what else? Store. Yeah, here you see there is a file for the storing all this data. And yeah, we're using SQLite 3. This is a very simple database on local files. It uses the files. And here you see we send this OTP, verify this OTP, and all magic happens on server. In other words, we are not going to use Firebase or another solution. We will try to use this one. And if we will struggle problems with this solution, we will try to think another things. One of the concern or one of the minus of the using Firebase that it's not for free, and they it's necessary to have an account and some subscription. I'm not sure about, maybe $20 or $30 per month, something like this. It's the reason why we are not involved right now to the Firebase, at least for the MVP. When we will have a lot of users, a lot of funding and another things, for sure we will make sure we will keep in mind this Firebase solution. Right now we have this pretty simple SQLite solution which lasts 30 seconds, and I believe that this will be more than enough. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. I don't think we will be needing Firebase in future. Like since we have our own solution, like no need for Firebase in future.
Yeah. I don't want to say that we are not going to use, by some reasons probably Firebase very nice solution because they like provide all things in a box, and you don't need to think about all things. But right now we are limited in our resources, and we don't have a lot of volunteers, and I believe that we can use this straightforward simple solution, and we'll see how this will work. And after that, let's rethink about this.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's what we have. Sorry if I a little bit confused yesterday about PostgreSQL, because I missed this point about SQLite. And
Okay. Yeah, no problem.
any other questions, or only OTP today was on purpose?
No, I don't currently have any questions. But if I have any, I'll let you know. Yeah, I'll test you about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And thank you for your question. Thank you that you set up this
Yeah,
call.
sure.
And I'm sure that this 10 or 15 minutes real communication is more
Yeah,
useful
exactly.
and more helpful than
Yes.
the, yeah.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
what time is it now in your place?
It's 3:49 p.m.
30, 9 p.m.?
No, 3:49.
Oh, 3:49.
Yeah.
3:49 p.m. Oh, cool. In other words, you have 1 hour differences with United Kingdom. Because when we discussed with Raja, he said, he mentioned that it was 3 p.m. And okay, cool. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best with OTP verification and first version of your pull request. Feel free to schedule one more meeting, because I adjust my schedule, and right now there are 3 time slots during the day, my day, and I believe that this will help for you and for everyone to involve more and more.
Yeah. So have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah,
Bye
bye
bye.
bye. Yeah, bye bye.